4K resolution is delivered throughout the optical channel and allows for physician customization. Setting up the Zeos system involves setting up the console and monitor, setting up the camera head with illumination, and setting up the compatible accessories. First, we'll start with setting up the console and monitor. To start, plug the AC power cord into the power inlet module on the rear panel of the Zeos console. Then connect the other end to the grounded outlet. Ensure the console is located and positioned so that the appliance inlet is readily accessible. After AC power is applied and the unit is powered on, ensure a color bar pattern appears on the monitor. A live image will only be displayed when a camera head is connected to the console. Finally, review camera settings and profiles. Make any changes as needed via the console or tablet menu as required. The Zeos camera head features 4 programmable buttons that allow you to select still or video captures, adjust brightness, zoom, and white balance, and control the light source. To set up the camera head, connect it to the front panel of the camera console. All camera heads utilize a cable connector to connect to the camera console. To insert or remove the camera head connector, use the grip feature on the connector. Do not pull the cable to attempt to disconnect the connector. Insert the camera head connector into the camera receptacle on the front panel of the Zeos console. Alignment marks are provided on the camera head connector to ensure proper orientation. Make sure the camera head connector contacts are clean and dry prior to insertion. When using the light source, it is important to understand the safety precautions. To reduce the risk of injury, avoid patient and user contact with the endoscope tip or light cable tip, and never place them on top of the patient, as doing so may result in burns to the patient or user. To reduce the risk of fire, never place the endoscope tip, the endoscope light post, the light cable adapter, or the light cable tip on the surgical drapes or other flammable material, as doing so may result in fire. Always place the light source in standby mode whenever the endoscope is removed from the light cable or the device is unattended. The endoscope tip, endoscope light post, light cable adapter, and light cable tip will take several minutes to cool off after being placed in standby mode, and therefore may still result in fire or burns to the patient, user, or inanimate objects. When using the internal light source, there are 5 steps involved with setup. Rotate the light source turret with the appropriate light guide receptacle at 12 o'clock. Insert the light guide cable into the light guide receptacle on the front panel of the console. Attach the other end of the light guide cable to the scope. Attach the scope to the camera head grabber. Press the light source on standby button to on to activate the LED light engine.